This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 8th of August. I'm James Spann. Alabama's rain chances going up in coming days, and man, the weekend looks good. Let's check some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, coming from Trussville. Just to the left of that image there, it's raining heavily, but the storms are very widely spaced today. In fact, basically, as I do this, we have two storms around here. One is that one near Trussville. The other is near Tuscaloosa, and that's about it. There's the Demopolis Skycam looking right down the Tombigbee River, and the always beautiful Alabama Gulf Coast. Looks like the sky down there is mostly sunny, and folks are enjoying the surf in the sand on a summer day. Water vapor satellite view, kind of a weak, ill-defined upper flow. The little trough that was over us yesterday is east of the state now, but despite that, we've still got just scattered convection. I mentioned the storms out there. You can see them. I say there's two. There's actually three in our market. One is up in Blount County around Locust Fork. We've got a dying shower near Trussville and one just east of Tuscaloosa. And that's about it. I'd say about 90% of the state not getting rain now, but the coverage should be much better tomorrow and Friday. Temperatures, hey, not bad. With the exception of Muscle Shoals. They're up there at 97, but everybody down here, upper 80s and low 90s. 88 for Anniston and Gadsden, 93 for Tuscaloosa. And again, that's just not that bad for an August day. Around the nation, pretty hot around Memphis in the Mid-South. They've got mid-90s there. Also pretty hot over Kansas and some of the adjacent states. And, of course, the hottest weather in the nation today. Over the deserts, Phoenix will likely top out at over 110 today. Check the convective outlook. This is the risk for the rest of today and tonight. Got a slight risk from near Fayetteville, Arkansas, up to near Omaha, Nebraska. Tomorrow, we've got a risk from near El Dorado, Arkansas, to Erie, Pennsylvania, and Buffalo, New York. Some of the cities in that would include Memphis, Louisville, Indianapolis, Columbus, Ohio, and Cincinnati. And then on day 3, which is Friday, a slight risk just east of here. And we might see some strong storms on Friday with a front slicing through the state. There's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning of next week at 7 o'clock. Heavier amounts down south. The bullseye around Bay Minette, 2.1 inches. The amounts lighter up this way, but come on, it's hard to draw those maps in summer. We all know that, as rainfall distribution will not be very even, but everybody stands a pretty good chance of getting wet a time or two tomorrow and on Friday. All right, tropical weather. Got a trio of systems there circled. Of course, one is Tropical Storm Ernesto. We've got a little disturbance, what's left of Florence, with a 0 chance of developing. And then farther east, we have a wave in the middle of the Atlantic with a 30% chance of developing. And let me just show you this now. This is that's a whopper of a tropical wave over the coast of, or the continent of Africa. And that will be emerging off the coast of Africa tomorrow or tomorrow night. And we'll have to watch that. You see something like that, and often those can become your classic Cape Verde August, September hurricanes. But remember, the air is very dry out there, so it's going to fight a lot of issues. But that's just something to watch. It's a long, long way out there, but let's keep an eye on that. Ernesto is going to kind of skirt the Mexican Gulf Coast down there at the southern tip of the Bay of Campeche. And the other disturbance, Invest 92, some of the models bring it up toward the leeward. Some want to recurve it. Depends on how strong this thing gets. Some of the intensity models do bring it up to a tropical storm. But again, it's a long way out there. We'll just keep watching. Let's check the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Look at the trough carving out. The axis just west of here, 594 heat off to the west. And with the colder air aloft, we expect a definite increase in showers and storms tomorrow. And both models are keeping us in the 80s now, 89 for both the NAM and the GFS. Friday, we stay in the moist air, highs in the 80s, a good chance of showers and storms. And there's Saturday, a refreshing trough for August. And down below that, dry air begins to work in here from the north. Any showers more than likely would be south of Birmingham, south of Interstate 20. The GFS is showing a high of only 86. Yeah. Sunday looks good. Sunny, low humidity values, a nice cool morning. Low to mid-60s, but again, some of the cooler pockets up in northeast Alabama could see upper 50s, a very distinct preview of fall. Next week, Monday still looks pretty dry. Tuesday, the moisture starts to come back, and there's a week from today. We note some troughing over Texas, and again, that would suggest just your typical chance of scattered showers and storms. We'll go out there 6 more days on the 21st of August. There's a recurving tropical system well off the east coast of the United States. And the end of the forecast on the 24th, kind of a flat 588 ridge. Down here, 95, 94, but a 588, and that suggests very typical late summer weather, if that happens to be correct. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. Weather.